I'm Kenton, and this is Kenton Knows. In this video, we're going to be replacing a privacy door handle to a bedroom. As you can see, when you pull the handle down, the latch does not go all the way in. And what that does is it causes the door to not open. So you're basically locked in your bedroom. And so what we're going to do is replace it. The first step will be to remove the two screws from the back. You can get a privacy lock from Amazon for relatively low cost, and I'll provide a link to one that I'm using in this video. Once you remove the back two screws, then you need to remove the latch with two screws on the side. And you'll need to take off the front along with the latch, and then the door is open. Now we put the new latch in and just make sure that the slanted part is towards the front so that it will work properly. And if you put in the latch and it doesn't line up properly, as I did in this one, you pull it out and you can see that there's an adjustment, and you can move that center circle to the back, and that makes it larger to fit the correct door opening. And so then you can put the levers in, and there you go. Next, you want to secure the latch with two screws on the side of the door. And then you'll have the two screws that secure the handle. And that's all there is to it. What I like to do is just double check that all the screws are tight, and then make sure that it works. Check the locking mechanism and open close it a couple times just to be sure that there's no issues. And there we go. That's how you replace a privacy lock for a bedroom or bathroom. Thank you for watching Kenton Knows.